Hello there, hi, hello, how are you all? Do I look nervous? Well, it's not like I'm nervous. I'm just, I don't know, I'm not worried of the camera, but it's fine. I hope you're all good. I hope you're all happy and strong and staying safe. My name is Miss Jennifer. Not like the Miss is not part of my name, it's just a title. So you could call me Jennifer. And this is PrepClass. So I'm sorry I couldn't start it from where we stopped immediately. I'm so sorry. But here I am back like I never left. So my voice is husky, right? I don't know why. I think I have a little cold, so please bear with me. I hope it wouldn't be so hard for you to hear me, or you wouldn't have to strain your ears to hear me. My bad. I'm sorry. So back to the Jsce English Language Past Questions 2020. We will continue from where we stopped. So this is PrepClass, and if you're just joining us for the first time, if you're just viewing us for the first time, this is PrepClass. And what is PrepClass all about, you may wonder? PrepClass is an online educational platform that provides the best learning experience for tutors and learners. So here we offer you all educational services and the best of the best of the best learning experience. So learn with us, and I hope you enjoy yourself while you learn with us. Okay, so back to our questions. No, not the questions. I say all the time that I won't ask you guys to like or comment or subscribe, but for some reason it keeps popping up, and for that I am so sorry. I'm so sorry, but it just keeps popping up, so I think it's an automatic thing. I don't know, but nonetheless, please don't forget to like or comment. I want to know what you guys think about PrepClass, and you can share your experiences with us. We are sharing ours with you, so please share yours with us, and then let's know what you want to learn. You can tell us, you can communicate with us, okay? You can comment, tell us what you want to learn, what subject, what topic, okay? So that we can ace those exams together. And don't forget to like, don't forget to like, don't forget to like. It really matters a lot to us that you like, so please don't forget to like our channel. And then don't forget to subscribe. Now, you could ask, what's there in subscribing? I'll tell you. When you subscribe to the PrepClass Learning channel, you get to get access, free access to all loads of videos on different topics and subjects. And then, of course, you get to learn live with the best of PrepClass tutors. So why don't you learn with us? And, of course, many other numerous benefits. So subscribe to our channel so that you can enjoy the numerous benefits that come with being a full member of the PrepClass online educational platform. Alright, so please subscribe to our channel. And then, having said that, having sounded like an advertising agent, let's move into what we have to do today. Alright, so no, exactly today, say this learning session. So we stopped at number 50. We'll start off with number 51. So the instruction here says, from the options lettered A to D, choose the word which is opposite in meaning to the underlined words in these sentences below. So we're to find or choose the word that is antonym, that is opposite to the underlined word. So our question is, the kitchen knife is blunt. And our options are A, thin, B, old, C, sharp, and D, new. So we're to find the opposite of the word blunt. Now, what does it mean to be blunt? When you say blunt, what does it mean? Blunt means dull on the edge, not quick to cut across something. And the opposite of blunt is therefore sharp. Now take for example, I know we'll all make use of the scissors or a knife or, okay, maybe not a machete, but of course we make use of these metal instruments, that as these sterilized metal instruments, and we all know how annoying it can be when you want to cut across something and it's just not cutting. So it is said that such tool or instrument is blunt. Okay, so when it is hard for a particular tool, say a knife, or a particular sterilized equipment, say a knife or a scissors, when it is hard for it to quickly cut across something, that is, when it is dull on the edge, it is said to be blunt. And so the opposite of blunt is sharp. Sharp, quick to cut across, sharp, and so on. Answer is C, option C, sharp. All right, so our 52nd question, he was a powerful king. Okay, so we are to find or provide the opposite of the word powerful. And our options are A, weak, B, strong, C, miserable, and D, wretched. So weak, strong, miserable, and wretched. Which is it? Powerful itself as a word means capable of exerting or executing power, usually with force. So when you say a person is a powerful person, it means that that person is powerful of exerting power or executing power with force, usually with force. Okay, so when you are powerful as a king, you are capable of executing power, just like our daddies do most of the time. Yeah, daddies are really powerful. Okay, so the opposite of the word powerful is weak. Right, weak. So you're either a powerful king or a weak king, and your option is A, weak. All right, there we have it. The opposite of powerful is weak. All right, on to number 53. Yours is a modern house. Okay, so what's the opposite of modern? We have option A, old, B, respectable, C, beautiful, and D, new. So modern means new, pertaining to current time. So when something is modern, it means something is flowing with the contemporary time, with the present time. Okay, so the opposite of modern is then old. That's a cake. Another word for old is a cake. Okay, you either say old or cake, but here are the options. We don't have a cake, so we choose old. So something is either modern or old, and we have it option A, old. So you can say yours is an old house. Yours is either a modern house or an old house. Number 54. Sjce received many presents on her birthday. Received. So what's the opposite of the word received? We have A, kept, B, gave, C, posted, and D, got. Which is it? So receive means to take. To receive something means to take. It means to collect something offered. When you're given something, you collect it, that's receiving. So the opposite of receive is give. So you're either a giver or a taker. Right? They're like the opposite words. You either gave or you take. So the opposite of receive, which is to take, is to give. Okay, but in this case, of course, we go with gave. Remember, received is it's past tense. So we just don't say give, we say gave. So we can now, in a sentence form, say Sjce gave many presents to Sjce was given many presents on her birthday. Okay, so we have to add was. All right, it's no longer received, so we have to write was. So we can say Sjce was given, what am I saying? Oh yeah, we have Sjce gave many presents on her birthday. Oh, I was correct the first time. What was I thinking? Okay, so we say Sjce gave many presents on her birthday, and we have it option B. Okay, our 55th question, number 55. It could be dangerous to drive at night. So what's the opposite of the word dangerous? A, risky, B, exciting, C, safe, and D, delightful. Which is it? So dangerous means harmful or injurious to health and well-being. So when you say something is dangerous, it means that thing is harmful. It's either to your health or your general well-being. In all, it is harmful. Bad for you. So the opposite of dangerous is safe, It is either dangerous or safe, and we have it. Option C, safe as our answer. Okay, so here we have come to this rather short but educative learning session, and I'm happy to be here with you guys. I really missed you guys, I must say. And well, you missed me, didn't you? No, you didn't miss me, really? I thought so too. I think you missed me. And don't worry, I'm back like I never left, and I am never ever going anywhere else from you guys. I'm never leaving you guys. So please don't forget to reach out to PrepClass via our website at www.prepclass.com.ng. You can reach out to us by telephone 09035321117. You can also reach out to us via WhatsApp. You can download our app, remember? You can download our app. So all you have to do is you go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and boom, you have our app right there. Okay, just search the PrepClass app and you have it. So we are everywhere. We are everywhere, like everywhere. So please, always try. No, wait. So please try to reach out to us. Okay, we're here for you. We're here to serve you, and we're here to learn with you. So why won't you ace those exams? So until our next learning session, be good, stay safe, be happy, eat your favorite foods. Yeah, I'm a foodie. Eat your favorite foods, okay? Eat your favorite foods. All right, so be happy again, like I said earlier, and PrepClass loves you. We look forward to always learning with you. Bye.